The TU9 DAAD Innovation Week offers young and talented researchers hands-on experience on how to turn a startup idea into a successful business. Besides networking and exchanging ideas with international and German peers, the program includes individual coaching, meet and greet with a local startup scene, and a pitch contest at the end of the week. Participants will get a detailed feedback on their startup idea and pitch, networking appointments with founders and startup advisors, a Q&A session with startup experts, information on prototyping, on drawing up a business plan, and on funding opportunities. The Innovation Week is organized by TU9, the Alliance of Leading Universities of Technology in Germany, and the German Academic Exchange Service, DAAD, the world's largest funding organization for the international exchange of students and researchers. This year, the Innovation Week is hosted by the RWTH Aachen University,
It's a very welcome and supporting environment in Aachen for international founders.
I came from Spain to Aachen about a year and a half ago to get a startup company here. So our company is called Technische Solutions and we are doing geological modeling. Yeah, I think it's great in here. There are lots of startup companies around. The city is in the heart of Europe.
The International Entrepreneurship Office is an offering by RWTH Innovation. We help international founders to get settled in Aachen. This includes solving visa issues, finding a co-working space, a place to live, and solving other bureaucratic and everyday life obstacles.
the KIT, Karlsruhe Institute of Technology,
the Research University in the Helmholtz Association. Whoever starts here has an eye on the future. Whoever works here unleashes passion for research, for knowledge, for change, for a future worth living on our planet. Whoever is on the way here is not alone. On the way to inventions that benefit everyone. And only a strong team will reach the top. It is these people that make KIT unique. So start here.
and the University of Stuttgart.
Okay. Yo, think about it. Woo!
Join the German startup scene now.